Hey parents, identifying a highly gifted child can be challenging, but here are 5 potential signs to look out for. First, highly gifted children often reach developmental milestones such as walking and talking earlier than their peers. For example, a 2-year-old child who can read words or a 3-year-old who can solve math problems. Second, highly gifted children display an insatiable curiosity, ask profound questions, and demonstrate a deep understanding of complex concepts beyond their age. For instance, a 4-year-old who asks about the origin of the universe or a 5-year-old who understands the concept of death. Third, highly gifted children tend to learn quickly and may become bored with typical school curriculum, seeking more challenging material. For example, a 6-year-old who reads books meant for 10-year-olds or a 7-year-old who excels in advanced math classes. Fourth, highly gifted children may show a passionate interest in a specific subject or topic, often well beyond what is typical for their age group. For instance, an 8-year-old who is obsessed with dinosaurs or a 9-year-old who is fascinated with space exploration. Fifth, highly gifted children may exhibit a heightened sensitivity to social and moral issues, and they might prefer the company of older children or adults. For example, a 10-year-old who is concerned about climate change or an 11-year-old who prefers to discuss philosophical concepts. Remember, these signs are not definitive, and every child is unique. If you suspect your child is highly gifted, consider seeking guidance from educators or specialists to support their development appropriately.